First of all, let's try and find the perspective grid. The higher we go away from the horizon line, or the lower we go, the more pronounced those angles are going to be. Like the closer you get to the horizon line, the more flat. And obviously, the higher you go, the more pronounced those angles are going to go. When it comes to details like windows and doors, by the size of them, you're kind of informing us what a human size is. Things like windows and doors are very good signifiers of scale. But with these ones, just because you're making them as wide as they are tall, they remind us of these ones because they have the exact same kind of proportions and shape. So our brain gets a little confused there. With things like rivers and landscapes, this is something I struggle a lot with drawing in perspective because my brain is very geometrical. I suggest you try and simplify their shapes first. You're guiding people's eye. Right now, we're connecting the village more physically to the castle, and we're creating this beautiful line that's taking us back and forth with these two things. We probably want the castle, like you've drawn it already up a bit. Let's go a bit with that and create like a little bit of like a cliff here. The cliff would be something like this if we're looking in perspective. Let's do a little squiggly line here and use that as like our little points of back and forth, and then we can slump it down into the river again and maybe have like a little bit of ground here to create some like foreground where we can have like more detailed, because this is closer to us, like more detailed plants and flowers and stuff, and it's up on this hill, which again, very good place for a castle. You want it to be defendable, so you got the river, you got the up on the hill. Fantastic. So we've created this kind of like more defined now terrain. We don't think about it, but like when it gets closer to you and it's farther away, the kind of perspectives and the angles change a lot. Like you can see how much more subtle these like roof angles are than the ones up here. I hope that helped. Really loving the piece you're doing, by the way. I think the composition is fantastic, and again, I really like the castle. It's really pretty. It's really good.